Meaning of endive.
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 Endive. Endive is a type of leafy green vegetable that is commonly used in salads and other dishes. It has a slightly bitter flavor and a crisp texture that makes it a popular addition to many different types of cuisine. Endive is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, potassium, and folate. Eating endive regularly can help support digestive health, boost immune function, and promote overall wellness. So if you're looking to add more nutrient-rich greens to your diet, give endive a try.